Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Corsair iCUE LINK 3500X PC case White Edition. This case is compatible with mini ITX, micro ATX and full-size ATX motherboards, as well as ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero reverse connection motherboards. It offers a very unique and extremely clean aesthetics, keeping all your connections and cables out of sight. This case features a stunning wraparound glass view with the removable top and side panels, and comes with 3 pre-installed RX120 RGB fans. The 3500X can accommodate most large graphics cards, and as you can see, I have a GeForce RTX 4080 Super and it fits there no problem. You can install up to 2 360mm radiators. You can put one on the top here or on the side there, and it has room for up to 10 120mm fans. The front and side glass panels are really easy to remove. You just pop them up like that, and it'll give you plenty of room to access all your components. There's a removable hard drive plate which you can install up to 2 hard drives and 2 SSDs simultaneously. The front I/O includes 1 reset switch, the power button, the audio jack, and the USB 3.2 Gen 2, the Type C, and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1. As I mentioned earlier, this case is compatible with the ASUS BTF or the MSI Project Zero motherboards. And I have it right here. I've actually installed this motherboard into this case, and it's really fun and easy to install all the power connectors and connections on the reverse side of the motherboard. There's also room to install extra fans at the bottom on top of the PSU cover or the back right there as well. All in all, I'm very pleased with this build, and I can see a trend with the motherboards that come with the reverse connectors on the back of the board. Alright, so let's power this up and see what it looks like.
Some of you may not like dual chamber chassis. That's because of the wider and larger footprint. If you're one of those users, then the Corsair 3500X series of cases could be right up your alley. That's if you don't mind looking at the PSU cover inside your case. Whatever is your preference, the Corsair iCUE LINK 3500X RGB case has many features that users still want. Things like the stunning panoramic views, the all-round removable panels, compatibility with mini ITX, micro ATX, full-size ATX and eATX motherboards, as well as ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero reverse connection motherboards. What's more, you also get 3 pre-installed iCUE LINK RX120 RGB fans with the control hub included. The Corsair iCUE LINK 3500X RGB mid-tower case offers great aesthetics with its stunning wraparound glass, all-round removable panels, plus you get 3 pre-installed iCUE LINK RX120 RGB fans with the control hub. It's compatible with a wide range of motherboards including the ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero reverse connection motherboards. If you're not a fan of RGB and you don't want any fans, then you can get the standard Corsair 3500X for $60 less. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
Alright, so that was a quick look and system build using the Corsair iCUE LINK 3500X RGB PC case. It's a fantastic looking case with great aesthetics and has plenty of cooling if you need it. Plus it's compatible with all the motherboards out there, including the ASUS BTF and the MSI Project Zero. Hope you enjoyed this video, give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this case via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.